I go put you on lockdown.
Yeah, whoa.
Put your body on lockdown.
Hold on, wait a minute again. Jaffrey, hold on, what? Video bad, but we get you dance. We get you dance. We get you dance. We get you dance.
Put your body on lockdown.
Yeah.
You got me on lockdown.
Complete. Bang, bang, bang. What's good, YouTube? It's the boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. You understand me? So now, people, I'm telling you already, I know I have my camera and my car and I come talk about every video. But watch it now, man. You see Koffee? Me go Koffee toast video in the almost last week, you know, brother. I'm telling you, the video get black worldwide. Nobody could even see the video. I post the video go public in the dog. And nobody can watch the video. So you know what we're going to do? The pause boss is in full effect. If you don't like how I pause the video, then I'm sorry about that video. I'll get past it. Hey, you look bad. Right now, we got Koffee locked down. And then me I say, yeah. Reaction boss is outside the girl and most even like the video, comment and this video to see your comment this video that I post. And then I'll post every single day. You might think me not going to post, but trust me, when I think me start posting, I post on the next video again. You understand me? I try to say, I saw me move. And the reaction boss movement, that's how me call it. Right now, we are going to run tune. Lockdown, Koffee, go on. Bumbuckle belt. Big house and be a thing. Well on the pass. Big house and be a thing. We have Koffee go well have meds right now. She the panels and I keep back right now, Koffee. Go on. Go on. Alright then. Hold on there. How far sign that? I'll Drake sign that. Oh, the OV. Hold on there. Pan your shirt. What? Go on.
Where will we go?
Alright then.
When the quarantine thing done and everything.
Class, you want to know where I gotta go? Hold on, pause. Me not customer bad in that video, I'm sorry. No more bad on go cuss. But she said, where we are gonna go? When the quarantine done? She a cook, no Koffee a cook. You cook some ital stew. Run tune.
Everybody touch road.
Yeah.
Mommy, me gonna start pull up in a fast car. Yeah.
Koffee a drive? Koffee you driving? What? Happy life though, me see her smile and something like every video. And some say every time I go a bit bad. I think that video trend number 1 already. I think that's trend number 1 already, you know? But she has smile and enjoy herself. It's a good look. Run tune.
I know fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me.
Cha!
You know I'm feeling you.
Cha! Hold on, them to my car. I know my car. Me not have it done light up on deck. Well, mommy got chocolate in here. Hold on, the pause. Hey. Me not show off for any car, man. But the chocolate, I'm gonna get devoured. Run tune.
So what now we feel do?
Yeah.
Hey, fancy. Oh, your heart state, now no vacancy.
We didn't know, so that's go say, I want to tell you. Koffee, me like the video already and the video just start. People, if you don't like Koffee, comment the fire emoji them right now. Comment the fire emoji them right now. And see what's saying about me want to like the video. Like up the video right now. You see me I say, no, run what? What we do? We laugh for a shot. What we do? Run tune.
Last time, see up on FaceTime, checking up the place, voting on my relationship.
What? Song tough? Video bad too? I see why this video is trending number 1 in Jamaica already. Okay. Run tune.
Me, I go put you on lockdown.
Yeah. Whoa.
Put your body on lockdown.
Hold on there, wait a minute again. Jaffrey, hold on there, what? Video bad, but we get you dance.
Put your body on lockdown.
Yeah.
You got me on lockdown.
Cleat. How about that cursing? Don't worry this video. Keep it clean. I got better with the first one too. You think my bad? Watch me. We'll not cause no more in the video though. We are trying to keep it clean. Keep it clean. Yeah. Keep it clean. Alright. Keep it clean. Okay. Keep it. Red tune.
Got my person on lock. Oh.
Go on.
If you love me, you should let me. You should let me.
I say ugly the right. I joke, I'm going to pre man. I just joke. I have a pause video and talk about something though. Me tell you no, brother. The video them Koffee videos are getting blocked worldwide and I can't do with that. Me can't do that. Oh, we're gonna have food. No. That will never happen no more. We stop getting videos black, we stop getting videos copyright because we know what? We're the pause boss. Run tune.
You should let me know, and if you don't know, better feel let me. I better you let me go.
I like the vibes. The video is a vibe and the song have a real meaning to it. I can't wait until Koffee come and like explain. You understand me? You do say it's self-explanatory the lyrics, but you understand, you know, she have some technical explanations to her song them, you know. So I want to hear what was the motivation. Obviously quarantine. But I know. You see me? One from prayer point of view basically. You know.
Pulling up. Nobody deal with the bagel and talking.
Shit.
Me nothing now, we are chilling at apartment.
Unruly. Well, I know that person name, but I don't want artist. You did me I say, I don't follow artists and a big one. Say if you know, I don't follow nobody on Instagram anyways. I don't follow artists, dog. If artists follow me, I follow them back. But I know why. Me weird when it come to them thing there. Right tune though.
Hope you don't mind me asking, where will we go? When the quarantine thing done.
Popcorn. Hey, I be every day full of beer superstar, man. You did me I say, I like it. You play off like a beer superstar your friend, cause like a beer superstar your parent. I like the pre. I like the pre. Whew. I the girl. Yeah. But you play like a beer superstar your friend. I like that pre. Run tune.
And everybody touch road.
Hey.
Mommy, me gonna start. Pull up in a fast start. Yeah, I know fast start.
Mommy need an all-star. All-star, she say, where I go? I need to look. Coffee video them ever have lyrics now. Not really available. Well, on the past. But you not out long enough. You're not out long enough yet. Become like what Coffee do that thing, you know, very professional. She not just represent for the Jamaicans them as the artists them do. Like when you understand, the Jamaican people now buy no music. You hear me I say? Majority of them, you have a few buy. People now buy them. You hear me I say? So you know, have to try represent for international audience. And they will support you more than Jamaicans, dog. But run tune. I just the facts, people. I know the facts. Run tune.
You want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling.
Skilly bang? No man, that video are different. Coffee, I saw you they go on bad. But watch, I'm just say still. Yeah, and every Jamaican have the money. You did me I say people and they might have the technology to backside and everybody have things for support the artists in the right way, dog. And the artists them know that too. But run through we not talk about that. Hey.
You. So what now we do? Say you want travel, we go home valley.
But you want to be a full bad road now. But them are the road right now. Coffee a drive a convertible and them a go up on a road trip settings. What them are them go up on the beach side or the river side, go watch them photo popcorn hours. Go on, because say what go on, man.
Pin your love and not just no tally. Make my heart full of some love it totally. Do my own thing, I'm in the trouble no.
Tell you now that video play up like so that a beer like the both of them a friend basically. And it's a recent as you can see the Papa just get him trim, you know. Papa just get the balls, you know. I say him just get the balls trim. A recent thing this. No joke. It's alright, so my popcorn and coffee video them always get black. Run tune.
Buddy, I'm watching out for the party.
Yeah.
And they did the neighbor them are what we know.
John Star. Oh. But them watch up on the patio. And the neighbors them watch them no. Because what? A lockdown. A lockdown. So like the video right now. You did me I say and comment the fight emoji them right now. Run tune.
Swing on me no miss like Pacquiao. What you feeling for hot coffee? What you know?
Right.
What you
Hot coffee, but watch it. Represent for the culture, see me. That me like with coffee video and a dog. Even the Bumbuckle Bell W. You see the culture kind of day night, see me. You see me I say, but some like W dog. But my favorite react to some of them saying yeah man, because my video my channel will get strike and take right down to backside. I can't bother with that right now. I think don't make it to post every day, honestly. Channel. We tried. If you not get for post, we tried. Go on,
know? All you want talk but how much you want.
Yeah.
Anything you want, coffee got the money.
Yeah.
Me give you my heart, make you take it from.
Actually, be a famous people there, so I like it. Money spent, people. I don't think I want to react to the rest of the video and get copyright, you know. But I'm going to see what I go on. Maybe something go on. Maybe get a girlfriend at the end of the video. I don't know. So let me see what I go on, don't it? Run through.
When the quarantine passport, yeah.
On the beach side, rate it. It's a good look. Get it done.
Really feeling
We get a little Bob Marley style a while ago from the end part type. You know them, I know why them start like remake Bob Marley video them. I don't know recent, but like a couple months ago. They make some videos with Bob Marley. Just one little scene on she on the boat and thing. That scene, yeah. You see me? Yeah. But it's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I hope you guys enjoyed my reactions, and for the most reactions on YouTube, subscribe to the channel and support the little Jamaican boy for not subscribe yet. As you may say, the first time over here, so people, what I'm trying to do is take over the entire Caribbean. You understand me? Everywhere we take over. You understand me? Yeah. And they don't say Jamaican have a whole heap of YouTubers already thing, but me, I forward. You know, watch me and see, man. Watch and see. This year, I started this year with 4,000 subscribers. Much better now. We don't talk. I'm out.